Here we've got the two chassis. So this is the Z420 here. Did a lot of looking online at reviews of these refurbished, and a lot of people like them. No, they're not going to compete with a high-end gaming rig, but for my needs, for doing CAD, for 3D printing and rendering and all of that, and some very light gaming, this rig does a very good job of that. Like I said, now I wanted to add a video card. I already added, when I first got the computer, a Build G5, which I actually really like. I'm a big Creality fan. This comes with the NVIDIA Quadrant 2000. It's so-so. Got 16 gig of RAM and SSD hard drive. That gun power supply for a bigger card, and then Hewlett Packard and their great knowledge of things made it so you can't just add a power supply to this. It's a weird size power supply dimensionally, and then they've got proprietary mainboard connectors. I think one is an 18 pin, and then there's an 8 pin up here. So even if you do use this motherboard in another chassis, you still have to get an adapter to adapt those, and which I did. So what we're going to be doing today is moving everything over from this case and putting it in the new case. And what we got here is I got GeForce RTX 3050 I'm going to put in it. These are our adapter cables for the power supply we got. And then we got a EVGA 850 G5, which should be plenty of power. So let me get to working on this, and I will bring you guys back in and probably do a time lapse so I don't bore you with all of this. Okay, what all I gotta say about this is, for being a pretty big case, there's not a lot of room for stuff. I had to cut you guys out and bring you guys back. This was a thing. I'm here to tell you, everything seems to be okay. Looks like a pretty clean install. I think, you never know, I think everything is okay, so I'll get her hooked back up to everything over there on the desk, and I'll bring you guys back in, and hopefully she runs. Well, everyone, I was grossly mistaken. The adapter I needed for the power supply to the main board was incorrect. I bought a Z440 mainboard adapter power supply, and come to find out, not so much. So, with that being said, I ordered the right one, and we are up and running. It's benchmarked out real good. seems to be doing real good and keeping keeping temps on the down low. I'm editing this video, as a matter of fact, using this PC, and we'll see how it goes. Next thing it'll be is on to RC stuff again. Thanks, everyone.